example, what is sum of sigma r is equal to 0 to? Let's first write a general term. Say we have 15CR. So R is equal to 0 to suppose 7. What is sum of this series? Now, when the index is 15, in the complete series we will have 16 terms. But these are how many terms? From 0 to 7, these are 8 terms. Then, what is sum of this series? That is 2 power 14, which is half of 2 power 15. Now 2 power 15 is the sum of complete series from 15C0 to 15C15. This sum is 2 power 15. So this sum will be half of this, that is 2 power 14. पर जब इंडेक्स इवन होगा उस टाइम पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा. जैसे इंडेक्स अगर हम 10 ले लेते हैं तो इस इंडेक्स के साथ कंप्लीट सीरीज में कितने टर्म्स होंगे? 11 टर्म्स. तो जब 11 टर्म्स कंप्लीट सीरीज में होंगे तो हमारे पास एग्जैक्टली हाफ सीरीज तो नहीं हो सकता. तो उस केस में हम दो सीरीज का सम लेते हैं. फर्स्ट सीरीज 10C0 प्लस 10C1 plus this 2 plus 10C3 plus 10C4 plus 10C5. Now in this series there will be, in complete series there will be 11 terms, but these are how many terms? 6 terms. Now we cannot have exactly half series when the index is even. So let's see how to find sum of this. So multiply all the terms inside by 2. Now we can write 2 times 10C0 as 10C0 plus 10C10. 2 times 10C1 will be 10C1 plus 10C9. This will be 10C2 plus 10C8 and so on. But this will be 10C5. Again this is 10C5. Now in fact we have doubled these 6 terms. Now there are how many terms? 12 terms. But in actual full series there will be 11 terms. Now sum of from 10C0 to 10C5, then 10C6 to 10C10. What is sum of this series? That is 2 power 10. This term is extra term, which is 10C5. So this is sum of this expansion, or rather series. If we have only first 5 terms, then if we double these terms, we have this. We can write 10C0 2 times as 10C0 plus 10C10. Writing all other terms, we have this expansion. Or now we have doubled this 5 terms, so we have now how many terms? 10 terms. But in actual series, which is full series with index 10, there will be 11 terms. Now from 10C0 to 10C4, then we have 10C6. What terms we are skipping? 10C5. So to find the sum of complete series, we add here 10C5 and then we subtract here 10C5. Now the sum of this series 10C0 to 10C5, then from 10C6 to 10C10, this sum is 2 power 10 minus this is 10C5. So this is sum of this series. For example, find the sum of the series 14C0 plus 14C1 plus 14C2 up to 14C6. With the index 14 in the full series, there will be how many terms? 15 terms. But these are how many terms? 7 terms. So the sum of this series will be 1 upon 2 into 2 power 14 minus 14C7. If the series had been 14C0, 14C1, 14C2 up to 14C7, then these are how many terms? 8 terms. If we double these 8 terms, we have 16 terms, which is 1 term more than 15 terms of full series. So this sum will be half into 2 power 14 plus 14C7. Here when we double the terms, which are 7 terms, we have 14 terms, which is 1 term less than 15 terms. So we put here minus sign.